How to get clients for your freelance marketing projects or for your digital marketing agency using LinkedIn. If you are a freelance digital marketer or a digital marketing agency owner, then don't miss this video. Stay till the end because I'm going to give you step by step everything that I do to get clients on LinkedIn. I'm going to give you the scripts, templates, the tools I use, and a lot more. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. It will definitely help me reach more and more people like you who want to become a successful freelance digital marketer or an agency owner. So without further ado, let's start the show. Welcome to Alpha Marketer. I am Anthony and I'm your host for today's episode of Becoming Alpha Marketer. This is your go-to show to become a better marketer, save time and earn more money. So how do we start the whole process? Okay, so first of all, we need to reach out to people on LinkedIn, but before that, we need to find the clients, the potential clients in the niche that we are in. Okay, so when you are approaching clients, first you should choose your niche. Okay, it can be anything, but keep it very specific. It can be e-commerce, fashion, e-commerce, health. It can be coaching business. It can be helping dentists to get clients. It can be helping physiotherapists to get patients. There are so many niches, but choose one niche which you are comfortable with. Okay, the first step is to find a niche. Then we have some tools which we can use to find the clients in that niche. Find the contact details of the clients in that niche. Okay, so the tools to consider will be GetProspect, Lusha, and Snow.io. Okay, so these are very popular and amazing tools, and all of them have some free trials, so you can just go have an account on all these platforms and try it out. Okay, now for the sake of demo, I'm going to show you about the GetProspect tool. So let me show you how I use this GetProspect tool to find clients in a very particular niche. Okay, so let's jump into the screen right away. Here you go. So here is the interface of GetProspect. Okay, and here they have an option called search by filter. I'm going to click this and I can actually give a name, say for example fashion. Okay, fashion brand CEO. Okay, so I can type CEO. I can even type founder. Okay, and then I can select a country if I want in India, UK, let's say United States. Here you go, I can do that by country, so you are not limited to a particular geography. You can just go ahead and do whatever you want. And there are further filters. Now here is the main thing, industries. Okay, I can type something like now I'm into fashion, so fashion. See, apparel and fashion. Okay, so likewise you can type the industry that you are looking out for. I just select and pretty much, and then if I click find and save to list, I will get a list of people who are founders and CEOs in the fashion and apparel industry. So I have done this search already. It's here. So here you can see the contact information, okay, the email addresses of so many people here. So if you click a name here, it will give you all the information about them and the website, about the company. A lot of information is there. You can make use of it. Okay, so you will also get emails, and you can see that green tick mark here, which means that email is valid and it is verified. So you get the contact information of founders and CEOs in the fashion industry. Okay, so how cool is that? Okay, so you can use this tool. Again, there is nothing illegal about it. It's basically it's a tool that scrolls the internet, or what do you call it? Crawls the internet and finds out publicly available email addresses. Okay, we are not invading anybody's privacy here. It is just that this is a proper legal tool. Okay, so use that to get the information, and then the next step will be you need to find. There are so many contact information here, but is everything relevant to you? Okay, should you reach everybody, or you have to select some people from this list? That's the next question. Okay, so to address that, we need to ask a couple of questions. Okay, the first question you need to ask yourself is, can you help them grow their sales? Okay, so you need to go and check the client's website. You need to check their Facebook ads or Google ads, whichever platform they are running advertisement. See if they are a right fit for you. See if there is opportunity for you to actually jump in and improve their copy, improve their pages, improve the sales funnel, and improve their Facebook ads. If they're already doing really well, then probably you might not be able to make a big impact. If they are doing nothing, and then probably you will have to start everything from scratch. There will be a sweet spot where the client is already spending money on Facebook, they're already running ads, they have a funnel, but it is broken, and as a marketer you can see that it's broken, and you can definitely go and add some immense value to their existing process. That's the right fit for you. That's what you're going to choose. Okay, second question you need to ask yourself is like do they have money to afford your services? Okay, so I mean, the cardinal rule of sale is don't sell to broke people. Okay, find out if they have a business, they are already having some traction, and they can afford your service. Okay, don't try to go and say that what, I will take a business which is just starting, maybe that started just 1 month back, and I will help them grow their business. Okay, that they'll be in a very, very early stage, and they may not be even in a position to help you out. Okay, so first figure out whether they have established a bit and they have the financial resources to afford your services. Okay, that's the second part, where you are gonna choose the right client from the list of clients that we found using GetProspect. Okay, now once we do that, we are going to connect with them on LinkedIn. Okay, so with GetProspect, you will have a link directly that will take you to the client's LinkedIn page, and then you can connect with them. Okay, so again, don't send a connect just like that. You have to write a small outreach note. Okay, a small connection request. Okay, so in the connection request, how do you use it? Here is my entire script. Use it. I'll also give you more scripts in the description. Whichever you find it right, you can take it and start your outreach process. Okay, so here is a sample script that I use. I say hi, then client name, address by name, very important. I am looking to connect with awesome people in the niche. So here you can say, I'm looking to connect with awesome people in fashion e-commerce. I'm looking to connect with awesome people in dentistry field, or makeup, or health, okay, or coaching business. Whatever be the niche is, mention that. I did check the amazing work you are doing with their company name. Okay, whichever company, because before writing this outreach content, you would have done a research about them, their brand, what they are doing, the advertising they are doing. So don't fake it. Do a research and then send a proper outreach request. So, and then you will say, so I thought to send you a personalized invite after going through your profile. It will be nice to connect. Have a great day. Okay, so when it comes to LinkedIn connection request, they have some word limit. So this script fits aptly in the word limit, and this is something that has been working for me. You can also use it, or make it, even if you can make it better, make it better. And or if you find any other better script, please use that as well. Okay, but for God's sake, when you send a connection request, don't send an empty request. Send a note like this along with the request. Okay, this increases your possibility of getting connected with the most relevant people. Okay, so now what happens once you send this? Let's get the expectation right. Okay, generally there is a 10 to 15% connection rate, which means if you send request to 100 people, okay, 10 people might accept your connect. Okay, that's that, which means 10% connection success rate. Okay, so don't lose hope saying that I sent to 100 people, 90 people did not respond to me. Okay, 10 people responded. That's great news. focus on those 10 people. Okay, focus from that 10 people, can you get one client? Okay, that's how you should be thinking. Then of course, when you send this request, people are going to check your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so make sure your LinkedIn profile is well optimized. Here is a sample of mine. So make sure you have the basics right, like the banner, your nice photograph, professional headshot photograph, your name, your headline. A lot of things are there when it comes to optimizing your LinkedIn profile. So what I have done is I have created a separate video as to how you should optimize your LinkedIn profile if you are a freelancer or a digital marketing agency owner. The link to the video will be anywhere in this video or below in the description. So please check that out. So again, long story short, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Okay, because this is your sales page. When you send the request, people are going to check your profile, and with this profile you have to make an impact. Okay, so this is where you sell your skills. Okay, sell your credibility and build trust with your potential client. Okay, now once you send that, let's assume if they accept your request. Okay, so you become a connection. Once you become a connection, you will have an opportunity to send them a direct message. You can send them an email, okay, to the client, okay, within the LinkedIn interface, and also you can even send an email from your email account. Okay, both are possible. So here I would recommend to send a video email. Okay, this is a very good differentiating factor. Everybody sends a text email. If you send a video email, it is even more powerful. Okay, now how to send a video email? Again, I have done a separate video exclusively for this. You can watch that video. It's super powerful. I have even given the exact video script word by word, which you can use and create your first video email. Okay, so that video link will be available in the description. Do check that video as well. Okay, so send a video like this and tell them that, you know what, thanks for the connect, and you did check their website and their funnel, and they are great, appreciate for the work they are doing. And then tell them that, you know, that you have found some 10 improvements or 10 areas of improvement which they can implement right away, and they can grow their business, and you can offer help. Okay, you can like ask them if they can get on a call with you. Okay, and if they get on a call with you, then that is where you actually help them out, point that, you know, areas of improvement, and if they're convinced, then that's when you close the deal. Okay, so the objective of this video email is to, you know, stand out and directly ask if you can, you know, provide them value. Okay, don't ask for that, give me a contract, let me work for you, let me take your project and pay me money. Okay, the approach should be, no, I found that there's room for improvement. Here are all the things that you can do that can improve your business. Okay, so it should be from a position of helping the client with your knowledge and skills, and if they like that approach, then you will eventually get your project. Okay, so try to get on a call with them with this video. Okay, with this video email outreach. Okay, now once you get on that, if you offer help in the call, if you actually point out all the areas where they can improve, if they like it, then it is just a matter of time. They are going to say yes to your offer, and you can close them as your client. Okay, so these are the 5 steps that you can follow to reach out to people on LinkedIn and connect with them, and then send a separate not sales email, value video email, and connect with them over a call through Zoom or Google Meets, whichever platform, or even a phone call depending on the location, and then provide them value and close the deal. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please do follow the steps what I mentioned here and tell me the results. Okay, so and if you are someone who wants to be coached by me, who wants to become a freelance digital marketer, or want to start a digital marketing agency, then I have a program for you. It's called the 6-step formula to become a freelance digital marketing consultant. Be your own boss, work from home, and enjoy doing what you love. Okay, it's a free training. All you have to do is just go to this link, alphamarketer.in/coaching, and take this free training. In this training, you will get clarity over what is freelancing, how to start a digital marketing agency. You'll have all the clarity regarding that. And at the end of this training, I'll be inviting you to join my 12-week intensive coaching program, where you can get coached by me and my team to become a freelance digital marketer or an agency owner. Okay, so and this coaching program is by application only. It's not for everybody. So you will have to fill in a form, and if you qualify, then one of my team members will be in touch with you. We will discuss, and if you are a right fit, then we can coach you to become a freelance digital marketer or an agency owner. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. And until next time, see you. Bye bye.